How to make money on Clickbank for beginners 2020. In this video, I will cover some other related keywords. How to make money on Clickbank. How to make money on Clickbank 2020. Make money on Clickbank 2020. Make money on Clickbank for beginners. Clickbank for beginners. Clickbank for beginners 2020. How to make money on Clickbank fast. How to make money on Clickbank for beginners. Stick on this video. I will show you the next things to do on the end of this video, as well as my other video resources for you to learn more about making money on Clickbank for beginners.
Welcome to my channel, Affiliate Marketing Mastery, where you can learn to earn a passive income guilt-free. And today I'm going to teach you how you can make money using Clickbank. If you're just getting started out, this is the easiest site to go to find a product for you to sell. Now, before we go in and look at Clickbank, I want to explain what affiliate marketing is, just for those of you that are new and you're not really sure. Affiliate marketing is basically an opportunity for you to take somebody else's product and promote it, to refer it to other people and sell it to them, and then you make a commission. Commissions range anywhere from 7% up to 75%. It depends on the product that you're selling. Typically, it's good to start out with lower priced products because you know yourself, you're more apt to buy something cheaper than you are to put out $1,000. You're going to think about that, and not as many people might buy $1,000 item. So starting out with cheaper products, lower priced products, I should use that term instead, can get you more sales, and it keeps you motivated and excited, and then you can build from there. Clickbank, you do not have to create an account unless you actually want to become an affiliate. So I am looking at this account. We're going to just go in from the front page here, and we're going to select Affiliate Marketplace. When you select that, you will see all these different categories on the left hand side. Now, you might start out thinking, I really like gardening, and I think I'm going to try to sell some things about home and garden because that's the area that I really like. When I click home and garden, you can see it right here. This is what comes up. I already have the tabs open, so you don't have to sit and wait. Oh, that one wasn't open, was it? Okay, home and garden. Let's see what comes up. Again, one thing, you can get excited and have passion about something, but you also have to look at things from a sales perspective. Is it really going to sell? Just because you like something doesn't mean everybody else wants it. And part of affiliate marketing is trying to figure out what people are looking for. What are they buying? And that's what I'm going to give to them. You want to understand your market, your audience, what they want, and then give it to them. So here, when I go into home and garden, there's things about doggy trainer stuff. I don't think this is really gardening. It wasn't specific enough. So let me type in gardening at the top and do a search. Let's see what pops up. Okay, now we have a gardening tutorial for the shoestring gardener. Sounds pretty cool. Average sales are $4.53. Down here, there's a beehive, garden hive construction guide. Pretty cool. And the average sale is $14. Now, if you're a gardener, those would be cool things to sell. Now, this is something I want you to look at, though, when you're in Clickbank. Do you see right here where it says gravity score? The gravity score is important. The higher that score, the more likely this product is going to sell. That's a really low score, 3.62. Look down here at the beehive guide, 1.3. Now, I'm sitting here, I like to garden. I think they're cool things, but maybe our general population isn't looking for things like that. You are more than welcome to promote these items and to sell them, but look at the gravity score, and they're telling you ahead of time these may not, well, right now they're not selling a lot. Let's go to health and fitness. That's always a huge industry, okay? And I've been in here before, and right at the top is Flat Belly Fix. I've never used it. I don't know what it is, but it sure does have a high gravity score, 238.78, really high. I've been in here on and off for different videos, and I remember when it was down at 101. So it's continuously growing. Whoever this company is, whoever these vendors are, they're doing a good job. There's affiliates out there selling it, and it's selling. Now, personally, I know that product's selling well, but part of my brain is saying, well, maybe there are a lot of people out there selling that and a lot of competition. So maybe I'll slide down here and look at this one. It says unlock your hip flexors. I know from exercising myself, hip flexors are very important for them not to be locked. Okay, it's not healthy, and they are promoting something to help people help release their hip flexors and make them stronger. And to me, that sounds different. I haven't heard a lot of people selling things like that, and it does have a gravity score of 141. Pretty good. Now, if you go into these two links, they will give you a list of all the products that they're selling that you can sell and earn a commission. Now, let me go back one. Oh, it says right here, commission rate 75%. That is phenomenal. That is really good. Now, you might say, well, $31, 75% of that. Hey, you're making what, 20 bucks, over $20 for each sale, and it's a lower cost item, so your chances of selling more are higher. Again, these are great products to get started with. They also have a forward head posture fix. Again, you get 75%, average sales $24. If you just took all these products about the hip flexor and maybe made a website all about health and fitness, and then did a whole section about the hip flexor and just really promoted it and added blogs on there and different information that you have found about scientific information about how important it is, you could really promote and sell these probably pretty easily. From there, you want to get people to come to your website, and you're going to promote on Pinterest or Facebook or LinkedIn, whichever platform that you want. Now, we're not getting into that today, but in a nutshell, that's how that works. Here is the other link. It got into some scientific data for you to share. I thought I saw where they were in Time magazine or something. It was on here. I don't know where it went. I was looking at it earlier. But everything is laid out for you. Your job then is to promote it and get out there and get it in front of people so that they'll want to click that button that has your affiliate link ID. And then when you sell that product, you get a commission. All of the commission part has to be set up in Clickbank when you set up your account. Now, if you don't know the steps, you just heard me talking about a web page or a funnel and pushing it out, in different social media platforms. I do have a free guide that you can request. I have the link below. It says free guide. Go ahead and hit that link and I'll send that to you for free. It does it automatically, actually. And then you can go ahead and look at that and get a general view of how affiliate marketing works and what you need to put into place. That's it in a nutshell. I hope this was helpful for you. Get in there, look around. Like I said, you don't have to have an account at first. Go in there and see what's available. And then if you decide you want to start, you'll have to set that account up. Thank you for watching my channel. You can subscribe and get a video every day sent right to you. All right, thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.